Yon, so morning po. Miswa day po tayo today. So dating gawin, kuha po muna ng blood sugar reading bago po tayo mag-start na kumain. Miswa with 2 poached eggs. So wala po ulit akong tatanggalin from the miswa. Kainin ko po siya lahat. And then after 1 hour, I'll be back with the blood reading and see kung ano po yung magiging spike sa blood sugar natin. Yan. So initial reading po natin 120 ang blood sugar level. Last food intake ko was 12 a.m. Kagabi. Now it's already 8 a.m. So 8 hours of fasting. I'll see you guys after an hour. Yan, so nakaisang oras na po. So it's time to get another blood sugar reading. There we go. Miswa day po tayo today. So yun po yung tinetest natin today. So we started at 120 na blood sugar reading. This is the reading after an hour. So we'll see. Yun. Interesting. 131. So mukhang promising din po yung kinain natin today. Balik po ulit ako after an hour for the final reading. See ya. Yun, so 2 hours na po. So it's the final blood sugar reading. So miswa day po today. Tingnan po natin kung ano po yung spike ng blood sugar after eating miswa. And fingers are crossed. $130 yung reading. So yeah, I'll finalize po yung blood sugar level and then I'll do the comparative table and balikan ko po kayo. See ya.